So you're entering the wedding filmmaking world, but you don't have any idea where to start when using a gimbal on a wedding shoot. Well, this tutorial might help you out to nail your perfect shots. As you know, I'm also a wedding filmmaker that mostly shoots alone, and I need a sturdy but lightweight gimbal that will take all my beating throughout the wedding shoot. I found out that the Moza Aircross 2 is the perfect companion for an all-day run-and-gun shoot. Let's talk about some creative gimbal shots that will juice up your wedding film. First of all, use your gimbal to create some fake slider shot to reveal your groom and bride. Take your gimbal and lens behind objects, windows, walls, and whenever you find in your way to take the shot. This method will help you to achieve a great movement between the shots. I would always advise to use a 35mm fast prime or a 50mm fast prime, or if you are really on that sturdy hand, an 85mm to get that shallow depth of field in front of the revealed subject, and also to blur the background. Sometimes you don't have to use any object that will obstruct your scene. You can actually make some slow pan turns left and right. Some gentle turns around things that are meaningful to the wedding couple will do a great job and a great look on your wedding film. For this kind of shots, I would recommend to lock your roll motor and put your tilt and pan motor on follow. When introducing to a new scene throughout the wedding day, I would always recommend to use a wide-angle lens, like when you are in a big space like church or hall. The best way to introduce a scene is to make a tilt reveal shot. For a straight tilt reveal shot, I would always recommend to lock the pan motor and to lock the roll motor, so only the tilt motor follows. Even if you have an outer shell wide-angle lens that zooms in and out, the strong and powerful motors of the Moza Aircross 2 will keep the balance right, and you don't have to worry about rebalancing the gimbal. It will take the beating, trust me. To juice up and introduce a new wedding scene, make also some circular reveal shots. For the circular reveal shots, the best way is to have the pan and tilt option on follow. When you are on the wedding couple shoot, I mostly use the Zeiss 55 on my gimbal. It will give you a great shallow depth of field. So when using a 55mm on a gimbal, you can get even more creative with your gimbal shots. Making circular turns with your tight lens around your wedding couple will add to the wow effect once you deliver the wedding film to the couple. For this kind of shots, the best way is to lock the roll motor and actually filter out even more the pan and tilt motors. You will be able to filter out your hard moves in the settings of the Moza Aircross 2, and also putting a higher deadband point so your shot will turn out really smooth. Remember, when using a gimbal on a wedding shoot, just don't be stationary and only in one place. Even when I film ceremony and speeches, I tend to slightly strafe left to right. You will add to the dynamics of the whole shot. A wide-angle lens will be perfect for showing great sceneries and openings. Use a tighter lens to get in the mood and get to the details. The wedding couple will admire it. A great bonus tip is to try always to follow your wedding couple with your gimbal between the wedding shoots, because you will never know when they have the true genuine moment and you want to be there to capture it. That's it, some great easy steps to nail your next wedding film with your Moza Aircross 2. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.